Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Walk one again, unstoppable family. Some people, Tony Matterhorn just now go down without a fight. You don't know what the clash go on the other day, that in the arena, right between Tony Matterhorn and Pink Panther. Well, you don't know everybody I say, yo, Matterhorn lose. Well, not everybody. Some people say Matterhorn lose, while others say Matterhorn win, and some say is a draw, right? Well, Matterhorn now go down without a fight. Matterhorn defend him name. Not Matterhorn say, yo, I want to know. Everybody entitled to them own opinion. You entitled to yours, me entitled to mine, so you can say whatever you want to say, right? So Matterhorn, you say, a conversation with Wiz. You don't know Wiz are the man where you don't know him talk to Panther, him talk to Trooper, him talk to Matterhorn, him talk to everybody about the clash. Cause Wiz himself kind of say it was a draw. You say, Wiz, big up yourself, my boss. You don't know. But people, take a listen to what Matterhorn say yes so, and then you determine for me in the comment section who you say actually win the clash dead in the arena. Make we hear what Matterhorn say.
Fact is fact. And if that's the case, Panther only win the fourth round. Alright, make we judge the clash. And let me show you.
No. Me not believe that, but go ahead. You let me hear your part and then tell you my part.
Remember, we have the right to disagree. The first round, who win the first round?
I'll give first round to Matterhorn.
Alright, the second round, who win the second round? Because
now this is where you got come.
Because and then
I had given it to Matterhorn.
You see?
I had given it to Matterhorn.
Because
I had given it to Matterhorn.
Look on this. You see the second round? Are my best round.
Yeah.
I want the baddest round.
Second
That's the round I'm play the Afrobeat. That's the round I play the Afrobeat. Who win that round?
Wait, was that the round Panther played the beanie? No, that was the third round.
That was the third round.
Alright.
That's the second round. You see it?
Alright.
You see it?
Alright.
So that means 2 rounds. Remember we are doing fair. 2 rounds.
Yeah.
The third round, it's up to if you want to Matterhorn or Panther. Because Panther
no, I said Panther.
The beanie.
Alright.
And the fourth round, it's up to if you want to say Panther play some tune with Matterhorn name or the Sample King. Yeah. We get one of the biggest talked about up to this day. So
correct.
So alright. If you not even want to give Matterhorn the fourth round.
No, so hold on, we're tied. In my opinion, we're 2-2 now. We're tied.
Alright. So with the 2-2.
Yes.
You see? Then in the tune for tune, him get 2 tunes. Him a 2 forward, him get another tune for tune, you know. No. And me get 2.
The one where he counts
we play 5 tune.
Yeah.
Him get 2 of the forward them, and me get 2 of the forward, and one of the tune them, none of we know. It never really spark us. So, no.
Yeah.
Remember, we are top here. So if that one, so you see it? Anyway, you take it.
All right, I have it 3-2.
What? You know what?
I have it 3-2 because
3-2 you know what? 3-2 overall, 3-2 what?
Yeah, 3-2 overall.
But how you see? But how can you have it 3-2 when we were 2-2 and none of we not really win the tune for tune because 5 tune play?
Yeah, but okay, so even if you go for, this is only my own personal. This is my own personal. Yeah. No, I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying.
You have the right to your opinion. Like,
but I have the right.
Understand. But every way you take it wasn't about no win or lose. Cause I look on this now. Overall, when enough sound man never even look on. Cause the sound man them a chat and the fans them different from the sound man.
Okay.
When Panther in the clash and a talk, Matterhorn done a beat him bad because this is not a crowd in front of you. This is a crowd. People that say play a tune. Panther are tired on the band. Magic. Him not play. You see? So to like the girls them on the clash, him dead. Can you not play? You put me to sleep. And then Panther play some tune where you can't take the blum blum blah ta ta ta. Them don't know them something, so them does the band. You see it? So
okay, hold on. Now here's where the difference of opinion comes in. Yeah. Because of everybody's live. Your live was sent around and had about how much people?
I mean, at the most people.
All right, 3,500 and plus, would you say? Yeah. Right? All right. I don't know what was going on anybody else's live. What was going on, because I heard the numbers weren't up. So I want to know who situates the clash.
Man, that's why I talk to people like you who have intelligence. All either and selector. No mama can me not like you. You don't like me, but me if you not like you, because you don't rate who set the trend. Look on this. We have 100 people over there. That the man they have 200 people. Matterhorn had the most people. And for my life, remember now, everybody up there is my fan, right? Them just step on Matterhorn live. For my page, me don't beat you. So on them little ladder platform they were. Remember, enough of them boy they couldn't come on my page, you know. Them Batman selector there. Because the girl them would have beat them. If you come over there, the Canadians them, and the British and the Americans them and the people them all up, them would have beat you bad. So them couldn't come over there, come in them little shit. Because the girl them take them on. Couple of them come over there, and the girl them beat them like drunk rough. So if on my platform had 3,000 odd people, one time it got near 4. When me done, it was 20,000 people. On my platform, me beat Panther by far. Pan what name their platform? Them have Panther winning.
Walshy, yeah.
You see,
right?
So you are win pan some platform, while Panther win pan some platform. So at the end of the day, it still boils down to Matterhorn and Panther put on a good show. It no matter if you say me win or me lose.
Yeah, we can't dispute that. I don't think anybody can dispute that.
Jokes the killer, big up yourself. But look on this. That's why I'm telling you, them selected them is batty boy. Look on this. You know, look on the fact that Major Laser page had 1.3 million. But them never get the numbers when me get. Me not have 1.3 million. You see?
Yeah.
But as me say, big up Pink Panther, big up all of the giants them. If you say Matterhorn win, Matterhorn win. If you say Panther win, Panther win. It doesn't do nothing. Me winning a clash or losing a clash doesn't do nothing. You understand? Some of the people them are gonna say Panther lose because Panther did attack and now play the song them. Some people say Matterhorn play a jam rock song, so them give Panther the clash. It still doesn't matter.
You know that if you go back and watch the clash over, if people watch it over, there's a difference of opinion in a lot of situations. Let me tell you something. The way that it was so bestowed upon me, like I was watching it and I couldn't remember because they must say, boy, imagine not playing a new tune. But you did. You did play a new tune.
And guess what? But look on this. Anybody will know my box. You notice me never play Guns Out and Turn On and them tune there. Because Panther have them tune. If me play against somebody where have more tune, Panther have the new tune them because his son cuts the dub them. I would not play them there. It would not make sense. Them would have easily counteract. And then guess what enough sound man did a go for? Like 2 Panther play a tune like for instance, look at this. That's why I say sound man them a batty man. So you know enough of them are some like a fish them. And go on like them a selector. Big up the real selector them, but enough of them a fish. And 2 of them get 2 out of them fish roll them feel like them for play music. Look on this. Me I go kill Matterhorn and cup lime friend. That's not a custom. That is not a custom. That's just a song you put Matterhorn name in. A custom, you have to have at least 3 or 4 lines. You see? But to a sound man, oh, that song they have Matterhorn name in it. That's just a name caller. Customer when you customize something.
But he didn't play all of it. So how you gonna know say him have 3 or more, no 4 more lines tonight? Alright,
when me play one of my songs, you notice my custom. If Matterhorn turn Panther in the mode, you mash up your sex life because Panther and Bonani. You see?
Yeah, that's fine.
You just call me name in a song. My song not call your name. My song a boss here.
But you give me a different revelation of a custom now, because I always thought that
because guess what? Unintelligent people are playing music nowadays where it's not right to music. A man feel, oh, that's wasting of money and time and energy. If I'm just gonna do like, well, Matterhorn kill Wiz, cause no girl no want you. That's not a custom. That's not in custom. And selectors, where do it? Look at Batty man, we are wasting the money and do that a foolishness, Sonado. That's not a custom. When Matterhorn, Mighty Crown, Firelinks, when we do custom. Custom is something we customize. Not because we change one word. Make it a custom. So when you play the intense, me have to kill Matterhorn. And top line friend. That is a custom. Are you kidding me? Shut up, that stupidness. Custom and selectors stop doing that. The artists just a rub on. You ever hear Matterhorn them play a custom where me just change one word? Are you dumb? So you spend your hard-earned money for the artist, which Panther never spend the money on some free custom him get, really. But for the sound man, they are foreign. So you have a clash with, and you get Matterhorn for do one song. You notice that me do my dub plate? Me custom don't mean you call the person's name one time. Hear somebody, you're delusional. Then you go and go vice them tune it, and then you have to go back to the artist. Him not go and do it.
Yeah, no.
Hear somebody, he never beat Panther yet. Me beat Panther so much time, then I'm win World Clash for Panther, you know. But at the same time, you're not going to get Matterhorn disrespect Panther.
Yeah.
See, somebody put a custom is saying something unique, and you know?
Yeah, Sample King's dub. Sample King's dub.
Sample clad custom.
That's a custom dub.
That's a custom.
Hold on now. The Beanie Man dub. The Beanie Man dub is that a custom dub?
And the Beanie Man is not really a custom, it's semi-custom.
No, you can't.
He doesn't say no bad thing about me. He doesn't say no bad thing about me tonight. He doesn't say after verse of the Caribbean. Wait. Him do basically the same tune. But the Beanie Man bad. The Beanie Man bad.
Alright.
Yeah,
but it's not a custom. It's not a custom.
Eh?
It's not a custom.
Yeah, it's a custom.
Alright, it's a custom then.
Yeah, but the Beanie Man said him not only say one thing about Matterhorn. You see it? You just change my name. That's not a custom. And son, man, if you're gonna lose your money, sir, you lose your money, sir. But me just say that's not a custom. And then at the end of the day, it's all in the game. You understand?
Yeah.
A lot of people say Matterhorn win, a lot of people say Panther win. Me still feel good in myself. Cause remember, a lot of people fight against Matterhorn through me believing in what I believe in her. Me not believe in a handout.
Question. Do you think some of the artists them didn't vice, or you didn't reach out to the artists
me
them?
Never even call them some. Remember Matterhorn of friend people, you know.
Okay.
Listen to me. Some of them, as I tell you, Wiz, you think me stay so relevant over the years because I'm a nice guy? I stay relevant because I am a glad person where if the shit for clean up in the yard, and me go clean up the shit. If them forget gunshot over there, so me go give them gunshot over there. So me are that person there. You're not gonna like that person there. Because you yourself not going to do that. Listen to me, Wiz, there's nobody. And people, when me talk, people may think, oh, Matterhorn egotistical and humble. Me will never humble when you're deep. And you don't know them, because them eye behind them clown.
Well, alright, you hear what Matterhorn have to say. And of course, if you want to watch the full reasoning between Matterhorn and Wiz, you can go check it out on Wiz page, on IG. It name Wizology. Alright, check him out on IG. Also, you can find him over here on YouTube too. You see him, Wizology at the man page. Check it out. Alright, but what have to say about the things what Tony Matterhorn say? You feel like Matterhorn have a point or not? Right? Matterhorn said them thing they are not custom. You understand? Because a man call your name one time in a dub. That are not custom. That that just a one name change or a one word change and that not really do nothing is what Matterhorn say. But anyway, let me hear your views, your thoughts and your opinion on that one in the comment section below. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, consider hitting the subscribe button now so once we upload a video, you will get alerted. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.